Hello everybody, it's Michelle, and I've got a fun and simple napkin fold for your Christmas table this year. It's a Christmas tree with a sparkly topper, and you won't believe how easy this was to do. I've been wanting to do a Christmas tree napkin for a couple of years now, and everything I tried, I think I was kind of overthinking it, and this worked out so simply. I just love it, and I can't wait to show you guys. So I'm going to set this one aside for now and show you guys first of all what I used for the topper. And I think this would be really fun for a children's table because I use these toy rings. I decided only to use the round ones today, but I was really looking for a star-shaped one. So if you guys can find that anywhere, I think that would be wonderful. That would be the perfect tree topper. But we're going to use the round ones today, and they came in a variety of colors. And you guys know that I don't have a local Dollar Tree, so I ordered these online, and I will include a link for you guys. But if you can find them at your local Dollar Tree or something like that, by all means do that. So first of all, what I'm going to do is change them just a little bit. Having to order online and getting those randomized colors, I didn't come up with what I actually wanted. I decided to try to pop this color out of here, and it actually came out very easy. Just get something sharp and kind of pry underneath, and that should pop right out for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put a red rhinestone in place in one of those, and that was really easy to find on hand just in my craft stash since it's round. And this is adhesive backed. I'm going to go ahead and peel that backer off, but I still want to add a little bit of hot glue just to make sure that it stays. And pop that red stone right in there. So when I decided to change the centers in those, I thought I'd take it even one step further. And I got this little cluster of Christmas ornaments at Walmart a couple years back when everything went on clearance, and I wanted to use this gold snowflake. I'm just going to cut that off of there, and I thought I would just glue that right on there, and that's going to be a rather large ring, but I thought it would be a really nice prominent topper for our napkin. So I thought it was just a fun idea to use these little rings as napkin rings, but you can change them up and add anything on those that you want to top your tree with. And we'll just set those aside and let that glue sit up for a minute. So for the one here that I showed you in the beginning, I used a lunch size napkin, but you can really use any size napkin that you want. You'll just get a little bit of a different size tree. So I thought I'd go ahead and demonstrate both, and what I want to do is the one single fold, that's the edge that I want to use as the bottom of my tree so that we get a nice clean look there on our accordion fold. So with that as the bottom, I'm going to fold this sideways. I always like to do an accordion fold starting from the center, that way I know it's going to be even. And I'll just crease it there, and then I can accordion fold one side at a time, and I'm doing about 1/2 inch folds. That seems to fit inside the little ring nicely. Okay, and we got 4 folds there with that size. And then when you flip it over and do the other fold, you just want to make sure that you get the same number of folds, because you don't want one side folding back and then over here at the other edge folding forward. That's going to look a little odd. So just make sure that you get the same number of folds from the center out on both sides. And I like to put mine where that fold goes back on both sides, so that you don't see any of those raw edges like that. You see the nice crisp fold. And then you just slide your ring on the top end, and it is as simple as that. If you're doing these for adults or teens that are a little older, you can go ahead and put a small rubber band around the top edge, and that'll help hold it together nice and secure for you. But for a small children's table, I would stick with just the ring so that there are no small parts that they'll put in their mouth. And now we'll do a larger one for our snowflake topper. I think that's going to be so cute. So again, we want our single fold edge to be the bottom of our tree. And just fold it sideways straight in half. Crease that in the middle. And then we'll just accordion fold each half evenly. About a 1/2 inch. And with that lunch size napkin, that got us about 5 folds. So flip it over and just make sure you get 5 even folds on the other side as well. And again, just make sure your single fold edge is your bottom edge, and slip the ring right onto the top. And you've got a super simple Christmas tree napkin for your table. And I think these would be cute for a children's table or an adult table. I think they're a lot of fun. So you guys be sure and leave me a comment below and let me know if you liked it too. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page. And be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. And don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.